Hey, thanks for joining us. In this video course, you're going to learn how to create an online marketing system for your business. This system, once it's created, is going to turn traffic that comes to your website into customers for your business and also nurture those customers so they continue to buy from you over and over again. Now, this system's broken down into a couple different sections, which we're going to go over later on in the course. So we're going to be talking about online advertising, where you should place your ads, what you should say in your ads. We're going to talk about sales pages, how to get the most conversions out of your sales pages. We're also going to talk about remarketing. Remarketing is your opportunity to get the most value out of the traffic that you're paying for or that you're driving to your website, and how to get more conversions using this simple technique. We're also going to talk about thank you pages, where you can use that opportunity after somebody makes a purchase to create upsell opportunities or cross-sell opportunities and things like that. We're also going to talk about email sequences and how to nurture your customers, how to build value for them, how to build relationships with them, and how to get those customers to buy from you over and over again. We're also going to talk about organic ways to get traffic. We're going to talk about content creation. We're going to talk about social media advertising, and all of these work a little bit differently. So we're going to go over each element, what you should be doing, what type of content you should be creating, and how to bring those people into your marketing system and how to turn them into customers for your business. And the same thing, how to do an email marketing sequence where you're going to take these people and you're going to turn them into happy customers that want to keep buying from you over and over again. The great thing about this system is once you have it set up, you don't need to reinvent the wheel each and every time. Your job is more of an architect, where you're going to be managing this system, managing each part, making tweaks, making some improvements, things like that, but you don't need to recreate this system over and over again. You need to set it up once, then once it's set up, you let the system do its work, and you're there to manage, tweak, and just monitor it. And that's the beauty of it. And once you understand all the elements and the concepts of building an online marketing system, you'll find it really easy to apply to different services, different products that you offer, and you'll have a full understanding of how to build an online marketing system that creates customers and sales for your business. So in the first video, we're going to be focusing on traffic. We're going to be focusing on where you should get your traffic from, what you should do with that traffic, what type of content you should be creating, all things like that, and how to set the stage to drive the right kind of people to your website to give you the most opportunity to turn them into a customer for your business. So I encourage you to jump right into the next video so we can get started. Thank you very much.